Akala nyo ba ang tsokolate ay puro tamis lang? What if I told you that it can be nutritious and functional as well? I am Dr. Maria Lourdes De Llosa, and I recommend Herba Choco 25-in-1 Choco Drink. A powerful blend of superfood in one drink. Meron itong cocoa powder, rich in antioxidant and support heart health. Non-dairy creamer, milk, and sucralose. Creamy and sweet without added sugar. Dextrine, help digestion and gut health. Packed with superfood and herbs. Malunggay, dragon fruit, red acerola, pomegranate, passion fruit, blueberry, black currant for immunity, skin, and cell repair. Prebiotic, apple pectin for better digestion and gut health. Milk thistle, echinacea, artichoke, green tea for liver cleansing and immune support. Turmeric, rosemary, ginger, black pepper, anti-inflammatory and great for brain and joint support. Bacopa monnieri, gotu kola, barberry, schizandra for mental clarity and memory boost. Even has iodized salt and rice hull extract to balance electrolytes and detoxification. With this powerful mix, Herba Choco may help people with low immune system, fatty liver, constipation or poor digestion system, high cholesterol, joint pain or inflammation, brain fog or memory issues, skin problems, or early aging. Herba Choco is not a medicine, but it's a delicious way to help your body stay strong and energized every day.